Hi everyone, welcome to your 10-minute quick arm fat blast workout. This is totally beginner friendly, so go at your own pace and choose a weight that feels comfortable for you. Let's start off nice and easy here. We're going to focus on our form and finding our rhythm. Keep your movements controlled, nothing rushed. If it feels a little awkward at first, that's completely normal. We're just warming up into it. Good, you're starting to get into a flow now. Remember, light weights are enough. You don't need heavy dumbbells to feel this working. I'm using 3 pounds and I definitely feel the burn. Let's stay steady, keep breathing, and keep going. You might start to feel your arms working here. That's a really good sign. Nothing crazy, just that light burn kicking in. If you need to slow down, also totally fine, but just keep moving. We're already halfway through. How good is that? Stick with it. You're doing really well. This is where your strength starts to build, so just stay focused. Alright, this is the part where it starts to feel just a little more challenging. Stay with me. Just take it one rep at a time. You don't need to rush. Just keep showing up for each movement. You're so close to the end now. If you can, give me just a little bit more here, but still keep it controlled. You're stronger than you think. Just stay with it. Last few seconds here, we're gonna finish strong. Whatever that looks like for you, just keep going and relax. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and recover. Nice work. That's your full 10 minutes done. Remember, consistency is what makes the difference, so keep coming back to this. You're building strength and toning your arms every time you show up. See you in the next workout.